sa habang buhay, awitin natin ay ganda ng ating musika, ay ganda ng ating musika. Ito ay sariling natin.
しいたします。本日最初の出場者です。東京代表、愛のすべてを受け入れることについて歌います。
Now for the Utawi 2012, let us begin with the contestant number 1 from Tokyo. Her song is about learning to accept everything about love, Paano by Dulce. Please welcome Miss Maricris Takamiya.
出場者2番、岡山代表、たった一つの愛を見つけ、永遠を願う気持ちを歌います。
Contestant number 2 from Okayama. His song is about someone who has found that exclusive love and the yearning for that love to stay. Ikaw ang aking pangarap by Martin Rivera. Please welcome Mr. Chuck Fuentes.
Makilala ka, buhay ko'y biglang nag-iba. Kay saya ng bawat sandali, kailan may hindi pagpapalit. Ikaw ang aking hiniling sa magkapiling, ngunit mahal, ikaw ay nasaan? Aking minimiti ay ikaw lamang. Ikaw ang aking pangarap, ikaw ang sagot sa aking dasal. Puso ko ay ialay, pagkat minamahal kitang tunay. Ikaw ang aking pag-ibig, ang nagbibigay kulay sa aking daigdig. Walang naisip pa kung magpakailanman ay kasama ka. Ikaw ang pangarap. Ngunit mahal, ikaw ay nasaan? Aking minimiti ay ikaw lamang. Ikaw lamang. Ikaw ang aking pangarap, ikaw ang sagot sa aking dasal. Puso ko ay ialay, pagkat minamahal kitang tunay. Ikaw ang aking pag-ibig, ang nagbibigay kulay sa aking daigdig. Wala nang naisip pa kung magpakailanman ay kasama ka. Ikaw ang pangarap, ikaw ang aking pangarap.
香川代表、人生の試練を乗り越え再出発する勇気について歌います。
Contestant number 3 from Kagawa. His song is about overcoming trials in life and being brave to start all over again. Magsimula Ka by Leo Valdez. Please, let's all welcome Mr. Antonio Mark Bangis.
Magsimula kailangan matira kay ganda umaga nang may ngiti sa iyong mga mata sa pagkakailing gumising na ang buhay ay masaya palalagpasin mo ba magsimula tuparin ang pangarap mong tunay habang ang lakas iyong pagtaglay sa paghihintay baka masanay sayang naman ang buhay mawawala ang saysay isa lang ang buhay mo kumilos ka gamitin mo kung may nais ang puso mo mangarap ka abutin mo upang ito'y makamit mo magsikap ka simulan mo pilitin at tuklasin ang hanap magdanas man ng maraming hirap ang ngiti mo pag naghingan na langit ang pagsisikap hinang malalasan sa ang buhay mo tumilos ka gamitin mo kung may nais ang puso mo mangarap ka abutin mo upang ito'y makamit mo magsikap ka simulan mo isa lang ang buhay mo kumilos ka gamitin mo kung may nais ang puso mo mangarap ka abutin mo upang ito'y makamit mo magsikap ka simulan mo upang ito'y makamit mo magsikap ka simulan mo
出場者4番北海道代表愛する人と人生を共に生きていくことについて歌います。
Contestant number 4 from Hokkaido. His song is about spending the rest of your life with someone you truly love. How Did You Know by Gary Valenciano. Please welcome Mr. Arnaldo Caballero Salazar.
so well the day that you came by my side makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? There was an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? There was an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much
福岡代表、人生の試練を乗り越えていくことについて歌います。
Contestant number 5 from Fukuoka. Her song is about overcoming the trials that come in our life. Ako ang nagwagi, ako ang nasawi by Dulce. Please welcome Miss Donafel de la Cruz.
Ako ang nagwagi, naitago ko ang damdamin kong sundin. Mukhaa'y saya ko, malaya kong nasusunod ang gusto. Kasama kong ngumingiti ang mundo at di humihingi sa'yo. Ang sabi nila, ako'y larawan ng ligaya't saya. Mapalad daw ako sa pag-isa at nalimutan daw kita. Ako ang nagwagi, naitago ko ang damdamin kong sungit. Sinong magsasabing ito ay mali? Kahit alala ko bawat Salamat na lang. Hindi lantan ang isang pusong sugatan. Titok, hindi rinig ang sigaw. Tinatawag pa rin ikaw na tanging mahal. Kahit ako ang nasuwi, ako pa rin ang
Contestant number 6 from Ibaraki. His song is about to love undoubtedly. Maging Sino Ka Man by Eric Santos. Please welcome Mr. Romeo Paala Jr.
Ang pag-ibig ay sadyang ganyan. Tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Dati mong pag-ibig wala akong pakialam. Basta mahal kita kailan pa man. Huwag kang mag-isip ng ano pa man. Mga paliwanag mo hindi na kailangan. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man. Maliban nang ikaw ay ibigin ko. Ako'y isang bulag na umiibig sa'yo. Kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita maging sino ka man.
ありがとうございました。続きましては前半最後の出場者、なんと本大会唯一日本人です。出場者7番、山形代表、愛する人を信じる歌です。
from Yamagata. Her song is about believing in the ones you love. Believe by Misha. Please welcome Miss Tomoe Takahashi.
人種を超えて全ての人々を愛するという歌です。
And for the second set, contestant number 8 from Shizuoka. Her song is about loving and caring for everyone regardless of race. Isang Lahi by Regine Velasquez. Please welcome Miss Caroline Santiago Fukuda.
Kung ang tinig mo di naririnig, ano nga bang halaga ng buhay sa daigdig? Darating ba ang isang ngayon at magbabago ang panahon kung ang bawat pagdating ay laging pagulo? Aanhin ko pa dito sa mundo ang mga matang nakikita'y di totoo. May ngiting luha ang likuran at paglayang tanong ay kailan. Bakit di natin isabot ang pagmamahal? Sundan mo ng tanaw ang buhay. Mundo ay punan mo ng saya, gawing makulay. Iisa lang ang ating lahi, iisa lang ang ating lipi. Bakit di pagmamahal ang iyanay mo? Pangunawang tunay ang siyang nais ko. Ang pagkamay sa kapwa'y nandyan sa palad mo. Ay magwakas pagkatapos ng dilim ay may liwanag. Araw ay agad nasisikat, iilawan ang ating landas ng magkaisa. Bawat nating pangarap, sundan mo ng tanaw ang buhay. Mundo ay punan mo ng saya, gawing makulay. Iisa lang ang ating lahi, iisa lang ang ating lipi. Bakit di pagmamahal ang iyanay mo? Pangunawang tunay ang siyang nais ko. Ang pagkamay sa kapwa'y nandyan sa palad mo. Sundan mo ng tanaw ang buhay. Mundo ay punan mo ng saya, gawing makulay. Iisa lang ang ating lahi, iisa lang ang ating lipi. Bakit di pagmamahal ang nilalay mo? Pangunawang tunay ang siyang nais ko. Ang pagkamay sa kapwa'y nandyan sa palad mo. Sa palad mo.
9番目の出場者は大分代表、永遠に続く愛について歌います。
Contestant number 9 from Oita. Her song is about never-ending love.
Di ba ang pangako sa'kin
りがとうございました。出場者10番長野代表、最後まで戦い抜くという歌です。
Contestant number 10 from Nagano. Her song is about fight until the last breath of your life. Habang May Buhay by Donna Cruz. Please welcome Miss Maria Fe Yamaguchi.
りがとうございました。続きまして11番目の出場者は京都代表、互いを尊重し愛し合う気持ちを歌います。
Contestant number 11 from Kyoto. Her song is about respect and love one another. Lupa by Rico Puno. Please welcome Miss Evangeline Hino.
Hindi mo gusto huwag gawin sa iba. Kung ano ang iyong inutang ay siya rin Magmula sa lupa na babalik ng pusa ang buhay mo sa lupa na mula. Bago mo linisin ang dulas ng iyong kapwa, hugasan ang iyong putik sa mukha. Kung ano hindi mo gusto, huwag gawin sa iba. Kung ano ang iyong inutang ay siya rin kawalan sa mundo. Ang buhay ay mayroon hangganan dahil tayo ay lupa lamang. Kaya pilitin mong ika'y magbago habang may panahon, ika'y magbago. Pagmamahal sa kapwa ay isipin mo. Kaya pilitin mong ika'y magbago habang may panahon, ika'y magbago. Pagmamahal sa kapwa ay isipin mo. Isipin mo.
ありがとうございました。続きまして出場者12番、神奈川代表、時代の流れと正義を貫くことについて歌います。
Contestant number 12 from Kanagawa. Singing about changes and doing what is right. Ngayon by Basil Valdez. Please welcome Mr. John Alejandro.
Ngayon ang simula, ngayon! simula ng hirap mong buhay. Ngayon ang daigdig mo bata at makulay. Ngayon gugulin mo ng tama't mahusay. Bawat saglit at sandali, magsikap ka't magpunyagi, mag-iaral bawat mali. Ngayon, bago ito ay maging kahapon. Ang pagkakataon sana'y huwag itapon. Ikaw, tulad ko rin, ay may dapit hapon. Bakit kay mapalingon sa nagdaang bawat ngayon? Nasayang lang na panahon. Ituring mong kahapoy waring panaginip lang. Ang bukas, pangitain niyang ganda'y sa isip lang. Kung bawat ngayon mo sa'yo ay laging sulit lang. Kay ganda ng buhay. Sa buhay mong hirap, mahigpit man ang kapit. May bukas na sa'yo, di na rin sasakit. Ngunit kung bawat ngayon dakila mong nagamit, sasabi mo kahit na ang bukas di sumapit pa, ang abot mo'y langit na. Ituring mong kahapoy waring panaginip lang. Ang bukas, pangitain niyang ganda'y sa isip lang. Kung bawat ngayon mo sa'yo ay laging sulit lang. Kay ganda ng buhay, bukas mo'y matibay. Dahil ang sandigan ngayon, ituring mong kahapoy waring panaginip lang. Ang bukas, pangitain niyang ganda'y sa
続きまして出場者13番東京代表決して実ることのない2人の愛の歌です。
Contestant number 13 from Tokyo. His song is about two people in love at the wrong time. Bukas na lang kita mamahalin by Jen Magdala. Please welcome Mr. Kevin Ramos.
Kahirap lang umibig sa tamang panahon. Kung bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang isang katulad mo. Sana noon pa nakilala, sana noon pa lang ng puso ay malaya pa magmahal. Bukas na lang kita mamahalin, sabay sa paglaya ng ating mga puso. Bukas na lang kita umibig sa gitnang panahon. Kung bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang isang katulad mo. Sana noon pa kita nakilala, sana noon pa lang ng puso ay malaya pa magmahal. Bukas na lang kita mamahalin, sabay sa paglaya ng ating mga puso. Bukas na lang kita, bukas na lang kita, bukas na lang kita
14番名古屋代表愛する人に選ばれたいという気持ちを歌います。
Contestant number 14, our last finalist for today, from Nagoya. Her song is about If You Only Choose My Love For You. Kung Ako Na Lang Sana by Between Escalante. Miss Judy Desierto Kawai.
Bukan
pa rin ako. Umaasang ang puso mo, baka sakali pa ito'y magbago. Narito lang ako, kasama mo buong buhay mo. Ang kulang na lang, mahalin mo rin akong lubusan. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling mag-iisa. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling luluha pa. Di ka na mangangailangan pang humanap ng iba. Narito ang puso ko, naghihintay lamang sa'yo. Kung ako na lang sana, kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling mag-iisa. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling luluha pa. Di ka na mangangailangan pang humanap ng iba. Narito ang puso ko, naghihintay lamang sa'yo. Kung ako na lang sana.
So, shall we go on?
Okay, go.
Okay, we would like to welcome once again. We would like to welcome once again the Tokyo University of Foreign Studies cultural dance group with their dance Karatong Subli.
This lovely dance is a combination of Subli and Kuratong. Subli is a popular dance from southern Luzon which is performed in honor of the Holy Cross, while Karatong is a dance from Palawan Island which depicts the celebration of blossoming mango trees.
Ladies and gentlemen, please again welcome on stage
The Tokyo University of Foreign Studies Cultural Dance
Dance
Group.
Group.
それでは皆様再び拍手でお迎えください。東京外国語大学フィリピン民族舞踊団の皆様です。ルソン島バタンガス州に伝わる踊りで竹でできたマンゴーの木や帽子を持って踊る音が鳴り、大変賑やかな踊りです。どうぞご覧ください。 Tokyo University.
Okay, go na. The 2012 Grand Champion, Mr. Warren De Luna and Maestro Hisayuki Yoshioka with the Otawi 2012 Grand Finalists. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu.
Let's give them a big round of applause.
Lahat tayo'y litong-lito, nag-iisa kapwa-tao. Sana'y di makatuturo kung ang puso ay marunong magmahal. Kabayakan, siyakan, na matatamtan. Lahat tayo'y pantay-pantay, sabi ay may sana'y abay-abay, hanggang tumulong kanino man. Ang tao ay marunong magmahal. Anumang kulay o salita, tiyak na mag-iisa. Te amo, I love you. Watashi wa anato aishitemasu. Each ibigin kita mahilig. Paano man sabihin, ang mundo'y turuan natin. Tanging lunas ang pag-ibig. Je t'aime, te amo, I love you. Watashi wa anato aishitemasu. Each ibigin kita mahilig. Paano man sabihin, ang mundo'y turuan natin. Tanging lunas ay pag-ibig.
Come on, everybody in the house!
Te amo, I love you. Watashi wa anato aishitemasu. Each ibigin kita mahilig. Paano man sabihin, ang mundo'y turuan natin. Tanging lunas ay pag-ibig. Pag-ibig. Sa mundo, sa awit, sa sigaw, pag-ibig.
Thank you very much, Mr. Warren De Luna with 2012 Otawi Finalists. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, anak. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Of Udawi, of the Udawi Executive Committee Chairman and Jeepney Press Publisher,
Jeepney Press,
Hakkonin.
Hakkonin Jikoin Kai Kaicho, the one and only Miss Irene Kaneko.
a round of applause.
The Honorable Minister and Consul General Marian Jocelyn R. Tirol Ignacio, officials and members of the Philippine Embassy, Tokyo, Japan, officials and members of Minato City, the honorable members of the Board of Judges, beloved sponsors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Celebrating our 8th year comes with so much joy and bliss. Utawid, the musical extravaganza, showcasing Filipino talents, has come so far, so high, but yet still humble. Utawid will not be as grand as it is without the valuable support and tireless efforts of the regional organizers all around Japan. Utawid will not go this far without the presence and cooperation of our Japanese friends and our dedicated sponsors. Utawid will not be a celebration without the harmony of voices and dances echoing on this stage today. Utawid will not be full of love without the Gawad Kalinga Sibol Kid Scholars that we are sending to school to reach out to their dreams. Dreams of a brighter future, of self-esteem that can only be attained when we hold hands together with one vision. Subarashi nakamatachi to de ai, daisuki na uta o utai. Watashi tachi no dekiru, iie, watashi tachi shika dekinai koto, kono Utawid no katsudo o korekara mo zutto tsuzukete mairimashou. Itsumo kokoro ni taiyo o, kuchiburu ni uta awit o. Kongo to mo ouen yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Minasama, honjitsu wa o koshi itadakimashite, hontou ni arigatou gozaimashita. On our 8th year, Utawid is so blessed. For the first time this year, all the regions are represented. For the first time this year, a very generous, major sponsor, 7Dan, joined in our celebration. For the first time this year, Utawid has not one but 2 advisors. Utawid co-advisor is Philippine Embassy, Tokyo, Japan, 3rd Secretary and Vice Consul Ryan C. Pondok. At this point, I would like to apologize on behalf of our dear Ambassador Manuel M. Lopez and Madam Maria Teresa L. Lopez for their unscheduled absence today due to the death of their childhood friend, compelling them to attend the funeral in the Philippines. To give a message and to convey the message of our dear Ambassador, I would like to introduce to you our Utawid advisor. She joined the Department of Foreign Affairs in 1996. Prior to her assignment in Tokyo, the Consul General was Executive Director of the Office of the United Nations and other international organizations at the DFA. She was also assigned to the Philippine Embassy in Stockholm. She is the first female Philippine Foreign Service officer to take part in the evacuation of Filipino nationals during the war in Cambodia in 1997. Prior to her entry in the DFA, she was Education Officer of the Ayala Museum. She is a graduate of the University of the Philippines, where she earned a Bachelor in Interior Design and AB Psychology. She is also a graduate of the University of Oxford, where she took up diplomatic studies. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Utawid advisor and the Minister and Consul General, Philippine Embassy, Tokyo, Japan, Ms. Marian Jocelyn R. Tirol Ignacio.
Everyone, Ms. Irene Caneco and the
distinguished members of the Utawid Executive Committee, the esteemed Board of Judges led by Mr. Akihiko Shimizu, our esteemed representative from Minatoku City Government, Mr. Hiroshi Nogami, my honorable colleagues from the Philippine Embassy, distinguished leaders and representatives of Utawid regional organizers, our honored guests, our ladies and gentlemen. I wish to extend my warm felicitations to Utawid Executive Committee and the regional organizers on the occasion of the 8th Utawid Grand Finals. The preparation for this year's Utawid celebration is impressive, so please accept my sincere congratulations in this regard. Utawid is an exceptional competition, and we have just experienced an exciting evening. Tama ba? Agree? Di ba exciting? So now every year, Filipinos in Japan look forward to this evening of show-stopping Filipino and Japanese talent that is Utawid. And in this, its 8th year, every region of Japan is represented in this competition. This is an exceptional feat. But more significant, Utawid brings together the many Filipino communities in Japan. We come together for an evening of song and harmony with our Japanese brothers and sisters. Now, as Irene had mentioned, it is regrettable our dear Ambassador Manuel M. Lopez is unable to join us today. The reason for this is because of the untimely death of one of his closest friends. In this regard, I would just like to read his message for you this evening. Let me begin by extending my warm congratulations to the Utawid Executive Committee and its regional partners on the occasion of the 8th Utawid Grand Finals. This year, Utawid is bigger and better than ever. We have representatives drawn from all the regions of Japan. We have an increasing number of Japanese participants in a competition that celebrates original Filipino and Japanese music. We have stronger institutional and public support. We have gifted singers willing to give their all, not only to win the top prize, but showcase the importance of excellence and creativity in the performing arts. Most significant of all, Utawid continues to be a successful charity that donates its many proceeds for the improvement of the education of poor children in the Philippines. Utawid was born to be a celebration of song. Song expresses, it communicates, it brings out the beauty and humanity of our unique Filipino and Japanese cultures. Utawid is a sharing of the Filipino and Japanese spirit. But bringing Utawid before you every year is not easy. I know that it entails a lot of hard work and sacrifice. The steady growth of Utawid is no accident. May kasabihan tayo, the fruit does not fall far from the tree. I believe that Utawid is celebrating its 8th year because of the vision, excellent organization, and strong cooperation extended by its passionate organizers and its many generous supporters. It is my hope that this generosity and hard work will continue to guide us so that we can all continue to share in the celebration that is Utawid. Mabuhay tayong lahat. From His Excellency, Manuel M. Lopez, Ambassador.
Can we have the Tahitian drum roll again? The winner for the third place is Ako ang nagwagi, ako ang nasawi, Donafel de la Cruz.
Congratulations!
From Fukuoka. Actually, last year they got the third place also. Sugoi ne.
Ang huhusay lagi ng taga-taga sa kanila.
Ang nanalo ng second place winner ay si
Juvie de Shell of Hawaii. Ang kumanggalang kulakot na lansana.
kung ako na lang ang naging second place. Ayan. Omedetou gozaimasu, Nagoya!
Nagoya.
Wow! At long last,
Kasi para ding champion din ang second, di ba?
lahat naman sila champion.
Champion.
Everyone is a champion.
Yes.
Omedetou gozaimasu!
Ito, gozaimasu.
Drum rotation. Ang nanalo ng first place.
Tahitian na.
Bukas na lang kita. Bukas na lang. Mr. Kevin Ramos. Ayan. Omedetou gozaimasu. Kevin, finally. I've known this person. He's been trying to join Utawit for so many times. Pero this is his time. He won the grand finals. This is po siyang nag-join.
Sandali, baka atakihin kayo sa puso dyan. Kaunti ano lang. Ang galing-galing talaga eh.
He won 150,000 yen, a round-trip ticket, and a trophy, and a certificate of appreciation and hotel gift certificate. Can we ask him to sing his winning song?
Okay.
I will love you tomorrow. Ashita aishimasu.
Bukas na lang eh. Hindi. I will love you only for tomorrow.
Bukas na lang.
Bukas na lang.
Nihongo din?
Nihongo din? Asta na shimashu? Asta ni aisimashu?
Umibig sa di tamang panahon. Bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang isang katulad mo? Sa hanap noon pa kita nakilala, sana noon pala ng puso ay malaya pa ang mahal. Bukas na lang kita mamahalin, sabay sa paglaya ng ating mga puso. Bukas na lang kita sa di tamang panahon. Bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang isang katulad mo? Sana noon pa kita nakilala, sana noon pala ng puso may malaya pa magmahal. Bukas
Our sponsors and the people who help and extended their hands to us to make this Otawi 2012 event possible. Our sponsors,
Our sponsors, Philippine Embassy,
Akasaka Convention Center staff,
Otawi committees,
MCs, Elena, Nestor, Odi,
Jan,
Dennis, Susan, judges, friends, volunteers,
and other sponsors,
Farm Records, Maki Incorporated,
Marikyu Beppu Onsen,
Asia Vox Limited,
and Miss Connie Kadono.
Miss Api Watante of Karaoke Kan.
Okay, thank you very much for coming. We hope to see you next year.
Wala akong masabi. Thank God. Thank for everything. This is it.